There are so many reasons we hate death, but the biggest one is simple. It separates us from those we love. Death isn't natural, nor was it part of God's original plan. It entered the world as a consequence of our rebellion against God. And when we experience death, we know instinctively that it's not how things are supposed to be. Isaiah 25:8 says God will swallow up death forever and wipe away tears from all faces. This means that death itself will be swallowed up. What we typically think of as the end will come to an end. A few hundred years after Isaiah wrote those words, death was defeated when Jesus rose from the dead. Although the loss of those we love still hurts deeply, Christ's resurrection from the tomb gives us hope that those who believe in him will be healed from the pain and the trauma